Hello everyone, welcome to eyeReports tutorials. This tutorial is about grouping items to view totals in different ways. Grouping is really effective for numeric fields, like date, age, or amount fields. To show how to group date fields, I'm using workbook number 120, Sales Detail Group by Fee Slip. I'm on the Sales by Patient by Staff tab. Take a look at column A, starting in row 10. In this report, this is the date of service. Before I start grouping the dates, let's review what the detail shows. Click the plus sign next to the date to show more detail. You can hover over a row to show the name of the field within that row. Anywhere there's a plus sign, you can expand the detail, and anywhere there's a minus, you can collapse it. Now on to grouping the dates. The report default shows individual service dates, but I don't want to see that. I want to see my totals by month. Right-click one of the date cells in column A. Click Group. Notice that months is highlighted. That's the next level up from showing individual days. Click OK. The report now shows totals by month, but all the details are expanded. That's why we have the Collapse button. Click the Collapse button. Now you can easily see the totals by month. What if you want to go back to the original view? Just right-click a date cell and then click Ungroup. Click the Collapse button, and you're back to viewing individual dates. You can do even more with date grouping. For example, to show only quarters and years, right-click, click Group, click Months to deselect it, and then click Quarters and Years. Click OK. Click Collapse Dates, and your report now shows years and the quarters within those years. That's grouping dates. I'm going to show another example of grouping by age. To do this, I'll switch to workbook number 160, Frame Sales by Age, the Frame Sales by Age Range tab. In this report, the ages range from 20 up through 88. This is an individual entry for every age in my sales. I don't want to see individual ages. I'd rather see the ages grouped in 20-year increments. Click Set Age Range. There we go. The results now show the ages in 20-year increments. What if you want to see the age distribution a little closer together? Right-click in an age cell, click Ungroup to clear the age grouping, then right-click, click Group, and type the increment you want. For example, type 5 for 5-year increments. Click OK. Now the report shows the age breakdown that you want. Don't be afraid to experiment with groups. You're going to love the way you can manipulate the eyeReports to show just the data you want to see. A quick tip on using this report again. Let's say you always want to see this report with these age distributions. All you have to do is save it, or save it as a different name. To save it as a different name, click the Excel icon, click Save As, Excel Macro Enabled Workbook, and then give it a different name. That's it, and that's it for this eyeReports tutorial on groups.